Hurricanes impact more than weather, they influence certain Jamaican companies too. Today, we learn which stocks often respond and why. When a storm hits, homes, roads, and supply chains often need repair. That leads to increased demand in three key areas: rebuilding, groceries restocking, and electricity resilience. If you understand the need, you can understand which companies respond. Construction materials. Companies that supply cement, roofing, and building materials often see higher orders after storms. Example, Caribbean Cement. Food distribution. When supply chains are disrupted, supermarkets and distributors need to restock fast. Example, Grace Kennedy. Energy resilience. With power outages and infrastructure damage, firms supporting batteries or renewable backup is get attention. Example, Wigton Wind Farm. Don't jump in just because demand rises. Instead, check recent earnings reports. Did the company mention storm-driven orders? Review cash flow. Can they handle extra demand without stress? Consider valuation if the price already reflects the event. Upside may be limited. Education plus preparation, better decisions. Storms happen, but your money doesn't have to remain passive. Learn the patterns, do the research, act with knowledge. Follow Alpha and Facts for more educational Jamaica finance lessons, not hype.